Leaf miners are insects that have a habit of feeding within leaves or needles, producing tunneling injuries. Several kinds of insects have developed this habit, including larvae of moths, beetles, sawflies, and flies. Most of these insects feed their entire larval period within the leaf. Some will also pupate within the leaf mine, while others have larvae that cut their way out when full grown to pupate in the soil. Leaf miners are sometimes classified by the pattern of the mine which they create. Serpentine leaf miners eat snake-like across the leaf, gradually widen as the insect grows. More common are various blotch leaf miners, which are generally irregularly rounded. One subgroup of these are the leaf miners which produce bulging blotch-type mines that curve upward somewhat like a tent as they damage leaf tissue dry. Mining patterns often are combinations of all the above, such as species that initially produce serpentine mines but terminate by making the large leaf cavity of a blotch mine. Areas mined by insects die and dry out. Although injuries produced by leaf mining insects can be unattractive, it is rare for them to significantly affect plant health. Also, most leaf miners have important natural controls which normally check populations before too much injury is done to plants. The developmental thresholds for eggs, larvae, and pupae are estimated to be around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The combined development time required by the egg and larval stages is about 7 to 9 days at warm temperatures around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Another 7 to 9 days is required for pupal development at these temperatures. Both egg, larval, and pupal development times lengthen to about 25 days at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. An optimal temperature of 85 degrees, the vegetable leaf miner completes development from egg to adult stage in about 15 days. Most leaf miners are of no concern, but some do cause significant problems such as the vegetable leaf miner and citrus leaf miner. The vegetable leaf miner, Blanchard, is found commonly in the southern United States from Florida to California and Hawaii, and in most of Central and South America. Although originally limited to the Western Hemisphere, it is now also found in many areas of Asia and the Middle East. Occasionally it is reported in colder areas because it is transported with plant material and cannot survive cold areas except in greenhouses. Vegetable leaf miners attack a large number of plants but seem to favor those in plant families of cucumbers, legumes, and the nightshade family. Some known host crops are eggplants, peppers, potatoes, squash, tomatoes, watermelons, cucumbers, beets, peas, lettuce, and many others. Vegetable leaf miners are attacked by a number of parasitoids, with the relative importance of species varying geographically. Another relatively new leaf miner pest is the citrus leaf miner. First introduced in Florida in 1993 in Miami, it now occurs everywhere in Florida where citrus is grown, and has spread to other Gulf states and affects many young citrus trees today. If you like this video and would like to see a whole lot more videos related to farming and gardening, please hit that subscribe button right now. Hit it like right now. I'll wait. Thanks. While pesticide is the most common form of control methods for leaf miners, it is not the most effective. Naturally killing leaf miners with beneficial bugs is. Another way of naturally killing leaf miners is to use neem oil. This insecticidal oil affects the leaf miner's natural life cycle and will reduce the number of larvae that become adults and reduce the number of eggs that the adults will lay. While neem oil is not an immediate way on how to kill leaf miners, it is a natural way to treat these pests. The best way to manage is to prune heavily infested leaves, reduce nitrogen fertilization to discourage new growth, and to spray with a variety of horticultural oils as soon as new shoots begin to develop.